Have you ever wondered if a diagnosis of diabetes means you must say a permanent goodbye to your favorite tropical fruits? Are mangoes truly off limits simply because of your natural sugars? Could it be that king of fruits still has a safe, delicious place in your diabetes managed diet? Have you been avoiding these nutritious fruits out of fear, completely missing out on its rich vitamins and minerals? But how exactly do you enjoy that sweet, juicy flavor without experiencing a dreaded blood glucose spike? Did you know that a single medium mango contains around 46 grams of carbo and 24 grams of sugar? So, what is the ultimate secret to indulging in mangoes without compromising your daily health goals? Have you considered treating the fruit as a mere garnish rather than the main event? But what actually happens if you eat a large bowl of plain mango on an empty stomach? Would it be much smarter to never eat it naked and instead pair it with handful of nuts, chia seeds, or Greek yogurt to slow down sugar absorption? And you also choose ripe but never overripe mangoes to keep the glycemic index as low as possible? Have you ever thought of using unripe green mangoes in your savory dishes as a brilliant culinary trick? And most importantly, have you tested your blood sugar 2 hours after eating to see how your unique body reacts to this tropical treat? But where can you find the complete comprehensive guide to mastering these golden rules? Are you looking for 10 healthy blood sugar friendly mango recipes to try out in your own kitchen? Do you want to discover which specific mango varieties has absolute lower glycemic index? For all the answers, expert medical insights, and the full secrets review, visit cloudtechbull.com today to completely transform the way you eat. Have you ever